Like I always say, forget about pie if you do not make money from pie. This is a proof in front of you that this coin can be converted and can be sold. Now, some projects can pay you during the mining stage and put so many dollars in your pocket. In this video, I want to show you how you can mine this coin, how you can swap it, how you can exchange it and sell it for dollars. If this sounds like what is very interesting to you, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my community so that when I drop the next video, you'll be among the first to get the notification. You can join my community, either the WhatsApp or the Telegram community. Alright guys, this is the app. So first of all, you're going to sign up. I'll leave the link to the description on this video so that you can see. So you click on this claim green reward. Alright, when you click on it, it's going to load up and take you to this green in. Alright, so if you've not logged in or if you've not mined for that day, it's going to tell you to click and claim. Alright, but now if you click on it, it's going to tell you come back in 4 hours time so that you can claim your green. All right, now this is what I've made for this account. This is 87 ECX. All right, now this is how it works. You are going to mine and they will be giving you some little tokens. Now the more you mine, the more your earning rate increases. All right, the more your earning power increases. All right, so like I said, when you click on that greenie, it takes you there. So I just click on wallet so that we're going to see what is really happening there. All right, you see my ACS token is what? 0, because I have not swapped it from green to ECS. So when you earn more green, you're going to get more ECX. My only green I have there, the figure I have there is 87 green. All right, so this 87 green can be converted to ECX. ECX now in the market, in the coin market now, is around 0.026 cents. All right, so guys, this is another place for you to receive assets, right, to show that people are already selling it. This is it. You send your email to that person, the person sends to you, and then you can pay him according to the worth of the coin now in the market. All right guys, it is very simple. So the next thing I want to show you now is the other section that would enable you to earn more by referring your friends. All right, so you can refer your friends, and then from after referring, you're going to earn from them. All right, and then if those your friends also refer, you're still going to earn from them as a first referrer. All right, that's another part where you can definitely earn. I want to make this video very short for just 2 minutes. So this is the most interesting part. This is my account that I've started with them, and as you can see, I want to show you where you can swap. All right, like I promised from the beginning of this video, that I'm going to show you where you can swap your ECX. All right, your green to ECS. So this is it. So I'm just going to scroll down to this position. So if I want to swap 25%, I'm going to select 25% and then swap. It is very easy, guys. And the last thing I want to talk about is for you guys to ensure that you do your KYC. It is very important. Without your KYC, you will not be able to convert your green to ECX token. All right. So if you really want to maximize your earning and really make money and swap and make the bucks that I told you can make from this website, you should go ahead and do your KYC. Just upload your face and snap. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.